Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another taste test and food review, and this time it is a pizza from Tesco's and it's new, and this one is the chicken and bacon stone bake. Let's see what it's all about. Right, so let's have a look at this. So as you can see, it's new. It's got cook from frozen oven 16 minutes. Tesco's chicken and bacon stone bake, topped with mozzarella, spiced chicken and smoked bacon. Quality and taste. There's your traffic light system. Take a look on the back. So on the back it is 335 grams. There's some information there. A stone bake pizza topped with barbecue style tomato sauce, mozzarella, full fat soft cheese, cooked bacon with added water, red onion, green peppers and cooked chicken breast. So there's your cooking information there. As we said, oven 200°C, fan 180, gas mark 6, 16 minutes. There's your storage information. And there's your ingredients. Allergens will be wheat and milk, and then usual nutrition. Let's take a look inside. Right, so I just got the wrapper off and took out the box. So have a better look at that. So as you can see, all the different onions, cheese, peppers, barbecue chicken. Right, let's get it in the oven. Right, so I just got it out of the oven now. So now I'm just gonna cut it up. Just get a better look at that. Right, so taste test time. So as you can see, better look at it there. Yeah, you've got a stronger barbecue taste. Yeah, you can taste the peppers. You can't taste much of the bacon or the chicken. The barbecue taste like overpowers it. Yeah, if I was giving that a score out of 10, I'd give it a 7. You can more or less just taste the barbecue. Can't taste the chicken or the bacon. The barbecue sauce is just a bit overpowering. So that was your Tesco's chicken and bacon pizza. I think this was $1.65, I think. And yeah, I'd give it a 7. Yeah. Comment down below, has any of you had this pizza before? What do you think? Is there any other things I should be looking out for? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, I'd always answer. And consider subscribing to the channel, it all helps, it's all free. And there's some more food reviews and taste tests on the way, and some more viewer requests as well. So thanks for watching.